Happy New Year and get ready for some changes at JHS. I'm Miriam Garcia and this is JHS News. The Jacksonville High School Career and Technology Department will host an open house night to showcase the renovated and expanded CTE building. This event will be open to the public on Thursday, February 7th from 6 to 7. In the evening, community members are invited to come view the new agriculture shop and classrooms. New health science classrooms and labs are renovated areas for audiovisual production, floor design, small engine, and more. For more information, please visit jisd.org or contact the high school at 903-586-3661.
The JHS Theater Department is gearing up for this year's one-act play. This year, the Theater Department will show The Elephant Man for their submission. Just a few of the many students working diligently on this performance are Alec Christensen, Dane Trent, Brendan Kinder, Abigail Mathis, Catherine Clevenger, and Brian Umis. Public performance will take place at JHS on Friday, March 1st and Saturday, March 2nd at 7 p.m. in the JHS Auditorium. The one-act competition will take place on Monday and Tuesday, March 4th and 5th at White House High School. For more on the upcoming one-act play, here is JHS Theater Director James Westbrook.
The Jacksonville High School Theater Department proudly presents The Elephant Man March 1st and 2nd at 6:30 p.m. in the Jacksonville High School Auditorium. Ticket prices are $5. Also, come and watch us at the district competition at White House March 5th at noon. Thank you and hope to see you there.
The Fighting Indian Band will compete in solo and ensemble on Friday, February 8th at Stephen F. Austin State University in Nacogdoches. Students will perform and be scored based on individual and small group performances. Students who earn a Division I rating at the contest competition will be eligible to advance to the UIL State Solo and Ensemble Contest traditionally hosted in Austin on Memorial Day weekend. In addition to the band, the JHS Choir is gearing up for this year's solo and ensemble. The choir will travel to White House High School on Monday, February 11th, where students will perform both individually and as part of a group. Students will then be scored based on these performances. Good luck to both the Fighting Indian Band and JHS Choir.